I'm going to show you this extension, which to me used to be a really good extension to have, and now I think with the new upgrade they just came out with, it's like a must-have. So the extension is called Mote, and so Mote is basically audio feedback. And so you get it the same way you get any Chrome extension. Go ahead and just Google Mote, install it to Chrome, log in, all that stuff. But what I want to do is show you what it could do and now what it can do, because they're both awesome. All right, so what it could do, and this is what it's been doing for the last year or so, is this audio comment. So whether you're in Google Classroom, Google Slides, whatever it is, if you have it installed, whenever you do a comment, there's this little M here, and you can click on it, and just, I can say what an awesome job you did on this. And then audio comments go into their slides or their document, I mean. So it goes anywhere you want. So it's such a nice, simple way to put audio comments in, and it goes easily into your here, it goes easily into your Google Classroom, it goes easily into Google Docs, and Google Slides. So no matter where you are, if you're inserting a comment, it would be there. Okay, but now here's the new feature that came out, which makes it even better. It's not just for comments. Now you can put audio right into slides. And you've always, not always, but you've been able to put audio into slides for a while, but it's kind of like you had to do this and download it. This lets you put audio wherever you want into your slides. So here's what I mean. So let's just say you're assigning the slide and you want to add some sort of audio component to kind of clarify something. You just simply, if you hit the M once you have this installed, and you hit this. So when you watch Bob's video, know that he knows what he is talking about. And you just put that right there. Insert, and now anytime anyone goes to this presentation, it's an audio comment just like this. I'm sorry, an audio component right into your Google Docs. And it goes right here, and you can move it around and put it wherever you want to put it. So this, and now when they play on it, so when you watch Bob's video, know that he knows what he is talking about. Easy peasy. And what's cool about this is it has all the same capabilities that other stuff does. So like if you want to change it to be a different logo, you can replace the image. And let's just say you wanted, a music icon as opposed to, that little purple. You could easily just do that and replace it along with changing the icon. You can have it play automatically, have it loop, all that kind of stuff. So it's such a good extension to have at the ready if you're ever doing audio comments, or if you want to put audio right into your Google Slides. To me, is a must-have in your toolbox.